Use high-quality cuts of beef such as sirloin or ribeye for the best flavor and tenderness. Marinate the beef for at least 30 minutes to help tenderize it and add flavor. Cut the beef into thin, bite-sized pieces for quick and even cooking. Stir-fry the beef in a hot pan until it's browned on all sides and just cook through. Set the beef aside and stir-fry the broccoli in the same pan until it's bright green and just tender. Use a sauce that's a balance of savory, sweet, and salty to flavor the dish. Combine the beef and broccoli in the pan and stir-fry everything together until everything is coated in the sauce and heat it through. Serve the beef and broccoli over steamed rice for a complete meal. Add garlic, ginger, or red pepper flakes to the dish for extra flavor and heat. To give the dish a touch of creaminess, consider stirring in a splash of coconut milk or heavy cream at the end of cooking.